Hi there, this is Shadin. So now in this video, I'll show you how you can add Google review into your website like this. Okay, so let's start. So I will embed a Google review on this site. So first of all, you have to log in into your WordPress admin dashboard. So I have already logged in. Then I will go into plugin section, click into add plugin and search for Google review. So this is the plugin we need for this widget. Okay, widget for Google reviews by Trustindex. Okay, install it. Okay, it's installed and I need to activate this. Okay, then I have to connect my Google my business profile with my website. Okay, so this is my client Google My Business profile. So I just need to click into connect, then paste it here. So here is the profile Abdullah Sheikh, SEO expert in Bangladesh. Then click into connect. So it's connected. And now I need to select style slides which I want. You can select any style that you want. So I will go with this one, custom, and then I will select this one, and here is the verified by Trustindex. I'll keep style 2. So here is the Trust Index badge, and I can filter the review only 5 star, then language English. Uh, here is the review text read more. I want to keep it, and yeah, so that's it. And then click into save and get code. Here is the shortcode, and so I will paste it into home page. So click into edit with Elementor. If you want to add it another page, just go to the page that you page where you want to add. Then just click into Elementor, or uh, the option will paste on your page builder. So okay, sorry for this. So we are now in Elementor editor panel. So I want to add the review section here. Okay, so search for shortcode and just paste the oh, sorry. Trust index. Here is the shortcode. Paste it here. So our review is added. Our Google review is added into our website. You can change the layout and change the style from here. Okay, and you can select the style from here. So yeah, that's it. How you can add your Google review into your website. that's it. If you need any help, just let me know or comment down below. Thanks.